On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat common problems. First thing guys, go to the settings, open the apps manager, go to the apps like this, scroll until you find Snapchat, click on it, click on force stop, and then click on the permissions right here, enable every permission, go back, click on data usage, and right here disable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and enable them back again, and make sure that everything is enabled. Go back, click on storage, click on clear cache, and the last thing you want to do is open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone and update your Snapchat. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.